Calvin Waite. I trade crypto for a living. I'm not a registered or licensed financial advisor, planner, or broker, so nothing on this channel should be taken as a recommendation to buy or sell. I also trade all of these things, so I probably have a vested interest in there. But there's plenty of entertainment value and lots of education, so this will be awesome. For those of you who didn't know, my subscription channel is live. So look at the link in the description over at cryptoinfluencers.com, and you can see how I make all of my trades and what I do and what I think about everything. This channel is for more hypothetical and looking at trends, and the other one is for actual trading, so you might be interested in that. Well, happy Tuesday, everybody. I hope you're having a good day. Very, very cool stuff that's going on today. So there's some pretty cool to look at the market today. We'll get into it. First of all, I wanted to congratulate Andrew S. for winning the $25 of Ethereum today. It is in your wallet, or will be there soon. I just barely sent it. So we're getting quite a few people putting their hat in the ring, which is pretty cool. But yeah, we'll just pick a random person, and we'll just do that every day. So keep checking in here. It's cool to see some people saying hi, which is awesome. Lena's treating us really well today. I'm currently up 11,000%, so that's working out pretty well. I closed a small portion of that position today. So if you're interested in finding out how I trade and what I do, definitely come over to cryptoinfluencers.com and look for my pro channel. It's right here. Wednesday, so tomorrow, we're going to be doing the live stream, which is cool. Live stream, come with questions or any comments. We'll talk about anything you want, so that's good stuff. But that's at 12:30 Mountain Time. Okay, let's hop in. We are about 2 hours and 20 minutes until close of the market today. Today our S&P was pretty flat. We kind of were up a little higher and retreated back down a little bit. So, but still, we are potentially finding support on the top of our 100-week moving average on the weekly S&P, which is phenomenal. Something has to break before this market goes bearish because there's no weakness here. All right, let's look at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin has had an amazing day. 2 days ago, we had a monster move. We are finding a resistance at the 50-week moving average. So that is where we are pulling back from. But interestingly enough, our increasing support and then resistance is still in play, and we are finding it as support just now. If we get a flat or doji candle right here, it is likely that this will be our cease from the 28,400 area that we had. It just means that our downward pressure has dropped off, which is phenomenal, because if we stop going down on this area, we're probably going to return back up and we're going to probably push again. So everything looks really nice here. The support that we're looking at is at 27,687. So just below 27,700. And we've been here all day. So we only had like maybe an hour or two that we were up above like 27,900. So only a short period of our day was up here. The majority of our day has been marching up and down right in about $100 range, right above that support area. So we came off the bottom really hot and then found our first resistance. This was all on Sunday. And then we pulled back a bit and then found support. And this kind of increasing double support down here is the exact place that we're finding support on this line right here. So if we figure things out and start moving up again, we'll be in great shape. So I'm gonna go back to the hourly again. So we're kind of playing with the green and yellow zones. So we'll see how much strength we have. But if we were able to get above this 28,000 level, man, we're gonna go straight up from there. So that looks really good. I'll tell you what looks even better is Ethereum. Now look at this. Our line that we are just dying to break is at 1909. Our current price right now is 1908.67, so we're right there. And that is exactly where we stopped, right here. So if we get a formation where we have a large green candle, a tiny red one, and then close the next candle at the top of our prior, on smaller time frames, this is going to look like a cup and handle, but a very strong one. So this is the day. If we close here, we can all go outside and do some cartwheels, because we're gonna be going up, and breaking this level will be a definite marker, because this will now flip to support rather than resistance. Next time we touch it, we'll be on the top side of it instead of the bottom side. So that is phenomenal. Yeah, I'll check the 1 hour just to see if there's anything exciting. Yeah, I mean, it's very similar in appearance to Bitcoin. So let's look at them both just to kind of see. So Bitcoin on top, Ethereum on bottom. We're on the 1 hour. Excuse me. Okay, so we hit this nice high, and Ethereum has pulled up almost to the same high. Where Bitcoin, we got a little bit lower. We didn't quite have as much momentum. So this strength here is playing out really well, because we've stayed in the green zone on our Ethereum. So that is pretty awesome. We'll just have to wait and see if we manage to hang on to this. But I do like what I'm seeing for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Ethereum strength can be seen in the Ethereum Bitcoin chart. So we've had a couple of attempts of dropping off. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Bitcoin showed a lot of strength earlier, and then Ethereum caught up and passed it. And that's what's happened the last 2 days. So we've ended up with these really long support wicks on these candles here. And so Ethereum is currently outpacing Bitcoin. That's also very obvious, because you can see how Bitcoin's up 0.15% and Ethereum's up 0.81. So Ethereum's doing a lot, showing a lot more strength. This is what I really like to see. What I love to see is Bitcoin dominance in the red, but Bitcoin in the green. That combination is the definition of an alt season. Alts are starting to heat up. We've been going through every single coin on the Pro channel, and we're starting to find support and buy opportunities everywhere. So it won't be long before we're going to be expecting a pretty solid alt season to come along here. And a little bit more indication of that is that so the entire market cap of the entire crypto world has added $5 billion to the market cap. If you take out Bitcoin and Ethereum, we've added 2.5 billion. And then if you take out all of the top 100 coins, the microcaps have added $1 billion to their market cap. And you can see that the total market cap went up by 0.46. If you take out Bitcoin and Ethereum, it went up by 0.73, and the microcaps are up 1%. So this $1 billion that's going to microcaps is pushing a lot. there's some things happening down here at the bottom. And so even though Bitcoin and Ethereum are nearly flat or almost up 1%, there are quite a few winners down here. We have Ocean up in double-digit gains. Lena up 32% right now. There's just a lot of good movers coming off the bottom. Yeah, those are the two that are in double digits, which is pretty noteworthy. But yeah, these are pretty awesome. I checked, and I think I entered this one right here at 0.011. And this afternoon, I took a portion of my profits at double. So that's where that happened. But just because MEXC allows you to do insane leverage, I don't know if it's a full 200x leverage or what, but yeah, for that to double and be up 11,000% is pretty cool. It's just like free money, you know. You put in a dime and you've got, $100. Pretty sweet. So yeah, that's the type of stuff that I'll teach you on the Pro channel. But the markets are looking awesome, and there's not a ton more to say. We're just waiting patiently for our next move up, and I expect it to be up. I expect that this will hold because this kind of flat day on Bitcoin is not bearish. It is bullish. So it looks awesome to me. All right, you guys, we'll call it a day right there. Quick update. And yeah, if you wanna join us tomorrow at 12:30 Mountain Time, we will be chatting live, and we can go over anything you want. Look at alts, talk about what's happening out there in the news, or whatever you want. All right, you guys, we'll catch you later. Thanks for making it to the end of my video. Make sure you keep those trades small. Don't force a trade. Don't get impatient. And if you want to see how all this works, please come over and check me out on the subscription channel at cryptoinfluencers.com. Again, the link is in the description.